Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through solutions for when your Windows Power User menu, also known as the Windows X menu, is not working. And now let's get started. A common reason for the Windows X menu to stop functioning is corrupted system files. To address this, we will run a system file check. First, search for command prompt in your Windows search bar. Once it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type the command sfc:/scannow and then press Enter. This process will scan your system files and attempt to repair any corrupt ones. If the system file check does not resolve the issue, a more comprehensive solution is to reset your Windows installation. To begin this process, search for Settings in your Windows search bar and open the Settings application. Navigate to the System tab. Scroll down the left-hand menu and select Recovery. On the Recovery page, you will find an option to reset PC. Click on this. You will be presented with options for how you want to reset. Choose Remove Everything to ensure a clean slate. Next, you will have the choice between cloud download or local reinstall. For this scenario, we recommend selecting Cloud Download and then clicking Next. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset process. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.